when you still trust in the process and your cleaning is not the same as everybody else's, because you're still dealing with this. So when you sweep the floor, this is what you get. This is what you get. This is what I get. When you still have, yeah, you can see the space where we do a lot at. So I'm sweeping my floor right now. This broom is strictly for anything OSB. My other broom is for anything like in the bedrooms where the LVP is already put down. So yeah, this is my clean with me and how I have to clean. So I'm about to get in here, and because this OSP breaks off into little particles and stuff. And sometimes if I got socks on, I don't want them poking me. So I got to get all through here. But yeah, that's the way I have to clean in my fix ripper, going through my whole, and that's the laundry room. All this still isn't done. So, but I see the vision, and God is good, and it's all good. Let me finish sweeping. This floor catch everything. Disgusting.